APOS PowerBurst Publisher provides automated report bursting for Power BI, delivering precise reports to all of your stakeholders, inside and outside of your organization. Many information recipients have no access to your analytics platform, and PowerBurst enables you to push Power BI reports to these users in the format they need and at the destination that is easy for them to access. There is no need for Power BI access. PowerBurst expands report generation and distribution options with secure, dynamic, data-driven scheduling and broadcasting of personalized reports to increase the reach, automation, AI integration, and value of enterprise reporting. PowerBurst transforms one report into multiple recipient-specific versions by applying targeted filters in business rules. Each burst follows a defined orchestration, ensuring recipients get the view that aligns with their responsibilities. PowerBurst adapts report content automatically as business data changes. Updates to roles, territories, accounts, or responsibilities are reflected instantly, ensuring each person receives the version aligned with their latest information needs. Coordinate report execution through rules, schedules, triggers, and automation to ensure reports arrive to your recipients exactly when they need them. Agentic AI integration with PowerBurst provides precise, targeted report workflows based on complex, real-time conditions. PowerBurst supports a range of output formats, including PDF, Excel, CSV, and HTML. So each report matches how recipients review information and best incorporate it into their work. In addition to Power BI, PowerBurst also supports SAP Analytics, Google Looker, Tableau, and more, providing a unified environment that enforces consistent security, oversight, and operational control across all reporting activities. APOS has been extending BI platform capabilities for over 30 years. We look forward to helping you transform your specific challenges into effective results.